Let's talk about what to feed sugar gliders, those adorable little marsupials that look like they just popped out of a cartoon. With their big eyes and fluffy tails, they're hard not to love. But if you're thinking about bringing one home, you better know what's on the menu. Because let's face it, these little critters are picky eaters, like a toddler at a dinner party. So, what should you be feeding these furry acrobats? Let's break it down in a way that's both informative and entertaining. The basics of a sugar glider diet. First off, sugar gliders are omnivores. That means they eat both plants and animals. In the wild, their diet consists of tree sap, nectar, fruits, and even insects. They're like the ultimate foodies of the animal kingdom, gliding through the trees in search of their next gourmet meal. If there were a Michelin star for critters, sugar gliders would be vying for it. Now, when you bring a sugar glider into your home, you want to replicate their natural diet as closely as possible. But here's the kicker. Replicating their native diet can be a bit tricky. They need a balanced diet that includes protein, fruits, and vegetables. So let's dive into the specifics. What to feed sugar gliders. 1. Pellets and kibble. The foundation of a sugar glider's diet should be high-quality pelleted food or kibble designed specifically for them. This should make up about 75% of their diet. Think of it as their daily bread, except it's not bread. It's specially formulated food packed with all the nutrients they need. Look for brands like Glider Complete or Zoo Pro Glider Essential. These products are designed to provide balanced nutrition without any of that junk we humans tend to eat. 2. Fruits, the sweet stuff. Now let's talk about the fun part. Fruits. Sugar gliders have a serious sweet tooth. They love fruits like apples, without seeds, bananas, berries, but not too many, melons, papaya. You can serve these fresh or mix them into their food for an added treat. Just remember to keep it varied. Nobody likes eating the same thing every day, not even sugar gliders. 3. Vegetables, the healthy crunch. Next up are vegetables. While they may prefer sweets, veggies are essential for their health too. You can offer them sweet potatoes, cooked, carrots, peas, broccoli. Just chop them up into small pieces so they can munch away without choking on anything larger than their tiny mouths. 4. Protein, the meat of the matter. Sugar gliders also need protein in their diet. You can provide this through mealworms or other insects. Yes, they're basically little bug connoisseurs. Cooked chicken or turkey. Eggs, hard-boiled is best. Just imagine your sugar glider diving into a bowl of mealworms like it's at an all-you-can-eat buffet. It's both adorable and slightly unsettling. 5. Water, the essential drink. Don't forget about water. Sugar gliders need constant access to fresh water. A water bottle with a sipper tube works best because they tend to spill everything else, like toddlers with juice boxes. What not to feed sugar gliders. Now that we've covered what to feed them, let's talk about what not to feed these little guys. Chocolate. It's toxic. No exceptions. Dairy products. Most sugar gliders are lactose intolerant. Processed foods. No chips or junk food. Save those for your late-night binge-watching sessions. Certain fruits and vegetables. Avoid high oxalate foods like spinach and kale. They can lead to health issues over time. Feeding schedule. Since sugar gliders are nocturnal creatures, it's best to feed them in the evening when they're most active. This helps maintain their natural rhythms and keeps them happy. And because they can be messy eaters, consider placing their food in a tray or shoebox. This way you can contain the chaos when they decide to throw a food party. Conclusion: a balanced diet for happy gliders. In conclusion, feeding sugar gliders is all about balance and variety. A mix of high-quality pellets, fresh fruits and vegetables, and protein sources will keep your little buddy healthy and happy. Just remember that these tiny acrobats have specific dietary needs that must be met if you want them to thrive. So if you're thinking about adopting one of these delightful creatures, get ready for some culinary adventures. You'll be whipping up fruit salads and insect snacks like you're running a tiny restaurant in your living room. And who knows, you might just find yourself enjoying it as much as they do. Here's to sugar gliders, the cutest little food critics you'll ever meet.